look. I think this is the best way. All right, big fun. You ready? Watch.
Mm-hmm.
You have two hands. You have two hands. You're gonna go 1, 2, and you're gonna throw up.
Oh,
At the
everything.
same time, not this little thing.
Everything.
Everything.
It's okay.
You ready? All right, tell me how this looks. And then make sure you take a video of that. You ready?
Okay,
Careful,
yeah.
okay.
No, yeah.
Okay, so on Wednesday night, you're gonna go like this. 3, 2, 1, finish, range! Yes, that's it. That's the way you do it. Okay, look at me. That's the way you do it, okay? That's the way you do Crazy. That's the way I am training my assistant to make it rain. Let me tell you what, it's not as easy as it looks. We had 2 money guns, and the money guns were not working. They were getting clogged, and then I had to go try to find like crisp $100 bills and crisp dollars actually, and they were getting stuck. Oh, but guess what? I wish you guys are here because this lucky one, there's a lucky one, and there's another lucky one. Whoever gets the lucky one is going to get a coaching with me. Oh, here. So we have 2 lucky ones. We got to make it rain in our lives. So guess what? We are going to be returning these because it did not work. We got to do it old school and put the money in the bag. That's how we do it. I love you. I love you, Rativa. I love you, Shelby. Let's keep manifesting these miracles. I believe in you.